Okay, we finally are getting to the 27 Packard 6-cylinder. This is original paint on the car. I don't know if the fenders are, but the body is original paint. And supposedly the interior is original too. I wasn't around during this, but we've taken the floor off so we can charge the battery. We're checking fuel. I don't know how to unlock that, but alright. So, a pretty clean car. Actually, an extremely clean car for being a 1927. Packard 6-cylinder. It was running. The lady says that it runs good. But they say that a lot and doesn't mean it's going to run good. You even get a derby hat back there. Look at that. Pretty clean on the inside. It's all original interior, they said. I'm not sure if it is, but if it is, how the heck did it stay that good from 27? Very cool car, though. Definitely a unique looking car. Stand out. We're curious to see tomorrow. We'll get it running and we'll see how it runs and drives. With the 6-cylinder, it should be decent power for being a 27. Should be a pretty good running car. Studebaker.